Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You have your elastic cord, beads, scissors, and a bead stopper. Start by measuring your wrist and adding a 1/2 inch for tying. Thread the first 5 beads as a test to confirm bead hole fit and stretch. This prevents later breaks. Once satisfied, secure one end with a clip or tape so beads don't slip while you work. You want even tension as you add beads. Keep the cord taut but not overstretched to avoid permanent deformation before finishing. Continue stringing beads in your chosen pattern and make sure you keep steady tension. Press with your thumb near the last bead to prevent slack. Once done with a section, pause every 10 to 15 beads to straighten the cord and remove any twists. This preserves elasticity and avoids bead wear. If you need pattern help, lay beads on a bead board so you can visualize final length before finalizing. Make sure the bracelet sits comfortably, with slight stretch. To finish, overlap cord ends and tie a secure surgeon's knot, double wrap twice, pull evenly, then add 3 half hitches for security. This distributes strain and reduces slippage. Once the knot holds, apply a tiny drop of clear jewelry glue to the knot, wait until tacky, then trim the ends to 1 or 2 millimeters. Finally, tuck the knot into the nearest bead hole or cover with a small crimp tube to protect it. If the knot slips, ready with fresh cord and repeat the glue step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.